The Christmas tree needs more decorations, so let's try the Scandinavian folded star. This project needs some strips of fabric, so it takes some preparation. Let's get started. There are a bunch of tutorials online for this type of folded fabric star ornament. I will link to my favorites in the description below. You will need 4 strips of fabric, and we're going to sew each strip individually in half with the wrong side facing out. And then you'll need to turn the whole tube right side out. This was a little bit frustrating, so take your time and enjoy the process. Then press everything flat and you're ready to fold. Okay, I was watching the video tutorial and I think I've got this set up right. I've got my fold, and the loose ends of this fabric are underneath, and then the fold goes around those 2 fabrics, and again the fold goes around the tails there, and then for the alternate color I've got the fold here and those tails are in between. So I'm going to slide all those together. Pull the ends tight so we can start the star points. Starting with this 3 o'clock horizontal, I'm going to fold that back over the center 4 patch and repeat with all these extra tabs. And then this bottom one is going to tuck into that top square. Making the first star point, I'm going to start with this bottom strip on the right hand side, and I am going to fold it under so it is parallel with this other bottom strip. And then I'm going to fold sideways, and you can see the point starting, and then I fold that strip back onto itself, and there is my star point. Now I need to trim this and tuck it in to that piece so that fabric end is hidden inside the star. Trim the excess fabric and tuck it into the center piece of the star. It helps to use tweezers for this step. I'm going to repeat the process with each of the shorter strips, and then I will turn this over and do the longer ones because you need to be able to tuck them in to that position, and that doesn't work on that side. I'm ready to fold the longer pieces. I've turned my star over so that it will be easier to fold that under that position. So we fold underneath and then sideways and then up, trim and tuck in. Ta-da! Our folded star fabric ornament is ready to go on the tree. We just need to do some hand stitching to add a ribbon and you are all set. Happy holidays! On the True Blue Quilts channel, I want to help you enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt. If you can tell I like stars, check out this video where I share my 9-patch star quilt block. And hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified each week when I share more quilting tips and techniques. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.